Hello everyone, we are from Group 1. Now we are going to present our material. But before we come to the next season, let me introduce me and my member. I'm Winnie Fadila with the last NPM 17. I'm going to be the moderator and the first speaker. And the second is Diva. And the last is Risa. I think that enough about the introduction. Let's come to the next season. Now, I would like to invite Diva. By Diva, time is yours.
Okay, my name is Diva Aini Pratama as speaker 1. Now I want to explain about speech efficiency often stem for several key factors that affect individuals during public speaking. The worry of being judged negatively by an audience can create significant pressure, leading to physical symptoms such as a dry mouth or trembling hands. By recognizing these common causes, individuals can develop effective coping strategies to manage their anxiety and improve their performance, ultimately mastering their fear of public speaking. Setting a realistic expectation setting. Realistic expectation is crucial for individuals facing communication apprehension, as it helps to elevate hyper related to public speaking. By anticipating manageable outcomes rather than perfection, speakers can reduce the stress that often accompanies their presentation. Cognitive behavioral therapy techniques can assist in favoring negative talk, allowing speakers to focus on delivering their message effectively rather than succumbing to overwhelming force. B. Visualization techniques. Visualization is a powerful technique that can help relieve the symbol of an action. One, the technique involves using mental imagery to achieve a more relaxation state of mind. Similar to daydreaming, visualization is accomplished through the use of your imagination. There are some people who are unable to picture image in their minds. This is known as apesthesia. Operating elements like meditation and birth control during the visualization process can further assist in creating a calm mental state, ultimately enhancing overall performance. Visualizing success can help combat the river of evaluation. Reducing caffeine intake before a speech may enhance the effectiveness of visualization. Meditation practice are beneficial for maintaining focus and calmness. Lowering heart rate through relaxation technique lead to more confident presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Diva. The second season is Risa. By Risa, time is yours.
My name is Risa Ramanda, and today I will explain the next material. C. Rehearsal technique is a specific method used in perform art, drama, music, film, or learning to develop skills, characters, or content ranging from simple repetition, like vocabulary drills, to complex methods, like hot sitting for character depth, or technical runs like cue to cue for lighting or sound, all aimed at improving performance, memorization, or understanding before the final presentation. Key examples include improvisation, physical blocking, tech runs, and various memory aids like speech repetition. What is persuasive writing? Persuasive writing is generally an exercise in creating a win-win situation. You present a case that others find beneficial to agree with. You make them an offer they can refuse, but not in a manipulative way that violates marketing ethics. It's simply a good deal or a proposition that makes sense to that particular person. To make your job easier, though, there are techniques that you can learn to make your case more compelling. 1. Repetition involves the deliberate use of words, phrase, or ideas multiple times for emphasis and to reinforce key points. Anaphora repeats words at the beginning of success clause. We shall fight on the beaches, we shall fight on the landing grounds, we shall fight in the fields and in the streets. Epistrophe repeats words at the end of successive clauses. Government of the people, by the people, for the people, shall not perish from the earth. Repetition can create a sense of urgency, importance, or unity around the repeated elements.
Now we will continue with me about the rhetorical question. Rhetorical questions are questions asked for the effect, not requiring a direct answer. They can engage the audience, provide thought, and guide the reader toward the writer perspective. The example is that kind of world we want to leave for our children. How long must we endure this injustice? Rhetorical question can correct the audience to reflect on the issue and align with the writer viewpoint. The last is storytelling. This is really a technique. You can and should use storytelling in the communication with any and all of the previous non-strategy. But the reason why the storytelling works so well lies at the heart of innovation really story of people themselves. And that's what it's really all about. You might say that we never confine anyone of anything. We simply have other independent decide that we write. Know everything you can to tell a better stories, and you will feel that you are a terribly persuasive writer. I'm Winnie Fadilah with my member. Thank you for watching.